In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can get 100 out of 100 in Google Pagespeed Insight. So if you want to optimize your WordPress website for core web vitals, then this video is for you. Now let me first show you the initial scores of the website before we did any optimization. So here for the mobile, you can see it's 67 and that is pretty bad, and you can see all the parameters and metrics are bad. So we can surely optimize that. And for the desktop, it's fairly okay. It's 95 and still can be improved. Now before we dive in our WordPress backend, the first few things you need to take care for optimizing your site for core web vitals and to get this 100 out of 100 score is that first you need to make sure that you have a good hosting provider. Now you cannot expect too much when you have a bad shared hosting server. Even if you are using a shared hosting, then make sure you are using a reliable company. Other than that, it's very important that the designing or the way you have created your WordPress website should be optimized. It means that you should take care of what kind of theme you are using, what kind of plugins, and the various images that you are using should not be of a huge size. So these are some of the things that you can easily take care of while creating your WordPress website before you even dive in the next level of optimization to get this perfect Google Pagespeed score. Now let's go ahead and dive in our WordPress backend. Let me show you what optimization we have done and by using what plugins and what is the result of these optimizations. Now the first thing we did on our website is installing WP Fastest Cache. Now this plugin is going to solve a lot of problems for your website. Once you install this plugin, you can go to the settings and here you will get all these options that you can use to optimize your WordPress website. And the things are pretty straightforward. You can easily read what they are going to do. And if you need any help, here is the help icon. You can click on this and go to their help website. So things are pretty straightforward. You will be easily able to recognize what they are going to do. And according to your requirement, you can turn on and off all these options. And once you do that and click on submit, this is going to improve your score very well. But in order to take this to the next level and to get that 100 out of 100 score, we did something more. We did the purchase of Perf Matters plugin. And if you go in the pricing section, this plugin will only cost you $24.95 per year for single site. That's surely a very low cost for optimizing your website. You can find the latest deal links in the video description below. And once you install this plugin and go to their settings, here you can again see very straightforward things. And if you need any help, they have this question mark icon here. And again, you can turn all these options on and off depending upon your requirement. And once you do all these settings, then you can go ahead and test your website. I'm sure you will get almost 100 out of 100 score. So now after installing both of these plugins, let me show you what's the current score. So here we are in the Google Pagespeed Insight. Let's enter the website URL and then click on Analyze. And this is going to take a few seconds. Here you can see it's 100 out of 100. And not just for mobile, also for the desktop. If you look at the metrics below this, all of them are showing green and everything looks perfectly fine. So this is how you can optimize your WordPress website to get this perfect 100 out of 100 score in Google Pagespeed Insight. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.